Hi, fabulous friends. I'm back with another every plate recipe. I can't think of any better way to promote this box and share it with you than to actually make the meals. So we're going to make another recipe. I did trade out the pork for hamburger meat because I'm not a big proponent of pork. So I traded that out. It was a little extra, but I'm okay with that. Then this is a loaded beef potato wedges with pickled onion, Monterey Jack lime crema. Ooh, that sounds good. All right, so what you're going to need is 10 potatoes. We're cooking for 4, so we've got 10 potatoes, came in the box. Two Southwest blends, which are these right here. And it is blended, it is garlic, cumin, chili powder. That's what's in these blends right here. So you got the 2 Southwest blends. Then you've got 2 red onions. You've got 2 limes. Ooh, sounds yummy. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 scallions. Then we've got 4 sour creams. What happened to my 4 sour creams? They are here. I just can't see them. I have 4 sour creams. They are here somewhere. Oh, they're on the other counter. So 4 sour creams. Then 2 of the 10-ounce ground beef. 4 chicken stocks, which are these right here. And then you've got 2 shredded Monterey Jack cheese. So then over here, I've got other recipes and my 4 sour creams. And that's it for this menu. We're going to go ahead and get started. I've already set the oven to 450 degrees. I'm going to chop up the potatoes and get those in. That is the first step. So according to this, adjust the rack to the top position. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Wash and dry produce. Cut potatoes into 1/2 inch thick wedges. Toss on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of oil. I always use avocado oil because avocado oil is good for at up to 450 degree cooking temperature. So I use avocado oil. And 1/2 of the Southwest spice blend. So we'll use 1 of the packets of the Southwest spice. Then we're going to roast them on top of rack until brown and crispy for about 20 to 25 minutes. So that is the first thing we're going to go ahead and do real quick. For 4, it says divide between 2 sheets. So we'll see if it fits on 2 sheets. I have a really big pan. So if it does not fit on this, I will use a second one, but I have a very big cooking sheet, so it might actually all fit on there, but if not, I will add them onto a one. So let's get cooking. All right, so these are ready to go in the oven. They all fit on one pan. I'm putting them on the top shelf. Going to cook them for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to get the veggies made up for the pickles and the crema sauce. So I'm going to get those done right now, and then we'll go ahead and get the hamburger cooking on the stove, and we will put this all together. Yum, yum. If you don't have every plate and you want to try them out, I do have a referral code down below in the video description box. It does right now at the time of making this video have a really great deal where you get $105 off your first 3 boxes. So that can change at any time. So, and it might be a better deal next time, or it might be not the same kind of deal next time. So if you want to try it out, definitely grab the referral code down below, try it out. I got the $105 off the first 3 boxes. That was the deal I got, and I haven't looked back. I only get 3 boxes a month or a week, and I get 4 servings. There's 3 of us, and there are more than enough leftovers to usually last a second meal with the three of us. So good portion sizes. Try them out. You might actually like them just as much as our family does. Okay, so the veggies are all chopped up. We got some garlic, we got some green scallions, we got some onions, and then I went ahead and saved these green onion tops. Most of you know we have a garden. If you don't, check out all of our gardening videos. We love our garden, and I'm going to pre-plant these in the house to see if I can get them to sprout. You plant them downwards like this, and the sprout should grow up this way. I'm going to pre-plant those in the house to see if we can get some sprouts and grow some green onions from our ends that we aren't going to use anyways. Then I've got these for the compost. Loving our compost. Seriously, it's really nice being self-sustainable. So we're going to go ahead and mix up the pickled onions portion and the crema sauce now. And then I'm going to stick the ground beef in a pan, and we're going to get going. All right, so we put lime and sugar and lime juice and sugar and the onions, and then we only use a fourth of the onions. Put lime juice and sugar in there, and we put that in the microwave oven for 1 minute to kind of soften it. And then those are pickling. And then we put the sour cream, some garlic, and some lime juice in the sour cream. Mix that up for the crema. And I believe I have to put a little bit more. Yeah, I have to put about 4 teaspoons of water in there as well with some salt and pepper. And that'll be the crema. And then the rest of the onions are going to go in the pan with the hamburger. I'm going to start frying that up right now. Okay, so we put in the hamburger, the onions, the green onions, the Southwest sauce, some oil, and the rest of the garlic into the pan. We're frying it up right now. That's going to be our topping. And it's starting to smell really good in here. Again, every plate always gives us some great options for our meals every week, so I just can't recommend them more. So definitely check them out. The only thing we'll be adding to this is some water and some ketchup once it's fully cooked, and thickening up that sauce, and it'll be ready to go on top of the potatoes. The potatoes are cooking up. Whoop. A little steam. Potatoes are cooking up nicely in the oven, so they should be done soon. The sauces and the pickled onions are going, and so really at this point we're just waiting for everything to cook up.